Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm gonna show you what my husband eats in a day while working from home. So let's get right into it. Today was just a random day, and most days are different. So first in the morning we both have smoothies because we're not big breakfast or morning eaters like that, especially myself, but I make him a smoothie. This one has berries, banana, spinach, water, and I give that to him with his vitamins and a bottle of water, and that's pretty much it for breakfast or until, lunchtime, or if he's out of a meeting and wants something else or whatever the case may be. But as far as like a regular day, it's just smoothie, vitamins, and water, and I just take it to him. And I'll be peeping through the door, y'all, because he be in his meetings and I'll be, fully dressed. So I gotta make sure it's all good, the coast is clear. But yeah, so that's pretty much breakfast. Alright, so it's lunchtime and I'm gonna make him a sandwich with this honey oat bread, pepper jack cheese, turkey, and roasted pepper hummus. I'm gonna use this instead of mayo. And you don't have to do this, you can use mayo, but I'm trying to cut out certain things out of our diet, so I'm using the hummus instead of mayo. Plus it has way more flavor, so it's a win-win situation. So it's just the hummus, the cheese, the turkey, the tomato. Y'all know how to make a sandwich already, so I don't really have to show y'all how to make a sandwich, but this is how I make his. And I just pile it up, and I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like.
I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy.
Alright, so this is what it looks like, and I serve it up with his favorite apple in the entire world, which is the Honeycrisp apple. Comment below if your spouse only will eat a certain food item if it's a certain kind. Honeycrisp is the only kind he will ever eat. I know, sick, I know. Alright, so now it's around 5 o'clock. I'm about to make dinner. He usually gets off around 6, but it depends on what's going on. If there's an emergency or anything like that, it might be like 6:30. But I'm making curry chicken. I'm flying through this because I have this on my channel like 5 times already. So it's no point in me, going step by step. However, I'll make sure I'll link below all 5 of my curry chicken recipes, and you can pick the one you want. But this one right here, I've made a couple times. So this is what it looks like after I add the vegetables. This is what it looks like once it's done, and I'm gonna plate that up and show you guys what that looks like. This right here is a dressing I made with Dijon mustard, honey, and red wine vinegar. Just easy, simple, with salt and pepper, and that was it. This is the plate with the rice and some salad. This is green leaf lettuce and tomatoes. And that's it, y'all. So thank you guys for coming along with me on my day. I'll try to make another video like this. If you guys want to see it, let me know below. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye, y'all.